In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot for social media management. This versatile tool can help streamline your social media operations, enhance your online presence, and engage more effectively with your audience. So, if you're looking to integrate your social media tasks into one cohesive platform, you're in the right place. To begin, make sure you open HubSpot and log into your account. This step is crucial as you need to be inside your HubSpot dashboard to access all the features we'll discuss today. So, with your login information handy, go ahead and enter it to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide section. This area contains all the resources you need to kick off your form building process, although today we're focusing specifically on social media. Think of the trial guide as your personal toolkit that provides everything necessary to begin this journey. Next, head over to your HubSpot homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but for our purposes, you need to click on the Marketing tab. Under this tab, you'll see several options that HubSpot offers for marketing purposes, but we'll zero in on social. Clicking on social will open up a whole new world of possibilities designed to enhance your social media strategy. Now, once you've clicked on social, you'll see the option to create social posts. But before you dive into creating your first social media masterpiece, it's important to ensure that your social media accounts are connected within HubSpot. Without this connection, you won't be able to harness the full power of HubSpot's social media tools. After confirming that your accounts are connected, you're ready to explore these features. On the left side of the interface, HubSpot will allow you to select which social media account you want to use for your post. This flexibility means you can manage multiple accounts all from one place, making it easier to maintain consistency across your various platforms. Once you've selected the account, it's time to create your post. Here you can add media, such as images or videos, ensuring that your post is as engaging as possible for your audience. You have the choice to publish your post immediately or schedule it for later, which is perfect for planning your content calendar in advance and maintaining a steady flow of content. Finally, after you've finished customizing your post to fit your brand's voice and style, you'll want to click on Review and Schedule. This final step helps ensure everything is exactly as you want it before it goes live. Taking these extra moments to review can make all the difference in putting your best foot forward online. With these steps, you've harnessed the power of HubSpot for your social media efforts, setting the stage for an even more successful and organized approach to connecting with your audience. Enjoy using HubSpot and happy posting.